We're out here at this beautiful home site out here in eastern Shelby County. We're really excited about it. One of the first questions we always get is, what goes into building on a property like this, and when do we get involved? So we started at the very conceptual stage. The client brought us out here and told us generally where they wanted to locate the home. We worked with them on the land clearing on this project. One of the big factors at that point was getting the road and the utilities in. We helped them lay it out, get it cut in, worked with the utility companies. We had multiple utility companies to get the water and the electric involved. Another question we always get is about house placement. As I mentioned, we walked through this site early with the client, and then we had follow-up walkthroughs specifically locating the house and the elevation of the house. And we've laid out the house that's been tentatively drawn onto their plans, but all that's been thought about, so long-term as they start to build those things out in the future, it should work flawlessly here on this property. So today we're out here pouring the basement walls, and one of the questions I get is, what do we do differently in this phase of the job? So the footers, we poured them on Monday, earlier in the week, and today we're gonna do the walls. So two things that go into our walls is, first thing, we put lots and lots of rebar. That's the metal that goes in the concrete. And one of the reasons we do that is our clients, when we build for them, are really looking at the long term on their house and on their basement. They don't want problems. Any concrete can crack, but the rebar really helps to minimize that. And then the other thing we're gonna do after the walls are poured in the next few days, they'll put on the basement waterproofing. We use a 30-year product called Tough and Dry, and it really, since we've started using that, we haven't had issues with leaks in our basements, and it really makes a difference. So those are some of the questions we get when people are looking at it, building on large pieces of property or acreage. If you have a big property and you're looking at just starting the process, want to talk to us, we'd love to come out and see it and start the conversation.